Cold press juicers, how much should you really spend? Because I've seen people drop $200 and regret it, while others get amazing results for under $130. The truth is, price doesn't always match performance, and the real value is hidden in the details most brands don't talk about. Product number 1, YPONE 5.8 Cold Press Juicer. First up is the YPONE Cold Press Juicer with its massive 5.8-inch feed chute. This thing lets you toss in whole apples, cucumbers, even small carrots without chopping. At $154, it's mid-range but feels premium with its titanium gray shell and safety lock that shuts it off instantly if the lid opens. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 55 RPM slow masticating motor avoids heat buildup, which means your juice keeps more vitamins, enzymes, and natural flavor compared to fast centrifugal juicers. Plus, the dual-layer 0.3 mesh strainer filters pulp twice, giving up to 99% juice yield, so you're not wasting expensive organic produce. Now, some people complained about the uncoated finish showing smudges easily, and honestly, it does look messy after a few uses if you don't wipe it down right away. Here's the thing though, it's still super easy to clean with the included brush, and the 3-part assembly pops apart in seconds. It's a minor cosmetic issue, not a functional one. This is perfect for you if you juice daily and want to skip prep time by feeding whole fruits straight in. Skip this one if you hate wiping down appliances constantly. For the juice quality and build, it's a solid value at this price. Product number 2, Ninja Neverclog JC151 Charcoal. Now, if the YPONE's smudge-prone finish bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Ninja Neverclog Cold Press Juicer in Charcoal. Priced at $180, it's from a trusted brand known for reliability, and it features a sleek stainless steel base that resists fingerprints. If you want powerful juicing with zero clogging and easy cleanup, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Ninja's high-torque motor runs at low speeds but powers through tough stuff like ginger, kale stems, and beets without jamming, something many slow juicers struggle with. The total pulp control gives you 2 filter options, one for smooth juice and one for pulpier blends, so you can customize based on your preference. Plus, the anti-drip lever prevents messes, and every juice-touching part is dishwasher safe, which saves you time and effort. It's compact too, fitting under most cabinets. Now, some people complain that the plastic auger housing feels less durable than full metal builds, and I'll be real, it does flex slightly under heavy loads. Here's the thing though, Ninja backs it with solid customer support, and for home use it holds up just fine. It's not built for commercial kitchens, but for daily family juicing, totally reliable. This is perfect for you if you want brand trust, easy cleaning, and consistent performance without clogging. Skip this one if you're juicing large batches daily or prefer all-metal construction. At $180, it's a bit pricier, but the convenience and reliability justify it for most users. Product number 3, LQZ 5.4 Cold Press Juicer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for budget-conscious juicers, the LQZ Cold Press Juicer at just $103. Don't let the price fool you. This black masticating juicer packs a 350W motor and a 5.4-inch wide feed chute, so you can still juice whole fruits without pre-cutting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs at just 50 RPM, which is slower than most, meaning even less oxidation and better nutrient preservation. The double-layer fine filter ensures smooth, pulp-free juice, and the upgraded spiral auger crushes efficiently, reducing waste. Over 4,000 units sold last month show it's gaining traction, and the compact design fits small kitchens. It's also lightweight, so moving it around isn't a hassle. Now, some people complain that the ABS plastic body feels flimsy and the hand-wash-only parts are a pain compared to dishwasher-safe models. I get it. After a long day, nobody wants to scrub tiny parts by hand. Here's the thing though, if you rinse it immediately after use, cleanup takes under a minute. And for the price, the juice quality rivals models twice as expensive. This is perfect for you if you're new to juicing or on a tight budget but still want cold press benefits. Skip this one if you hate hand washing or need dishwasher convenience. For under $110, it's one of the best value cold-pressed juicers out there. Product number 4, Ninja Neverclog JC151NV Blue Navy. Now, if you like the Ninja Charcoal model but want a pop of color, this Blue Navy version is identical in performance, just a different look. At $193, it's the priciest on this list, but it's the same reliable Neverclog system with total pulp control, reverse function, and dishwasher-safe parts. If you want a stylish, high-performing juicer that won't clog, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The one-touch start, stop, and reverse programs make it idiot-proof. Press reverse if pulp builds up, and it clears itself in seconds. The anti-drip lever keeps your counter clean, and the compact footprint saves space. It's also quiet for a juicer, so you won't wake up the household during morning prep. Over 2,000 sold last month proves Ninja's reputation holds strong. Now, some people complain that the plastic construction, while durable, doesn't feel as premium as stainless steel, and at nearly $200 they expected more. I agree, it's mostly plastic, which might not satisfy luxury buyers. Here's the thing though, the performance is identical to the charcoal model, and the functionality outweighs the materials for most home users. Skip this one if you're trying to save money or prefer metal builds. It's great, but only worth the premium if you really value the Ninja name and color choice. Product number 5, Godspeed's 5.8 Cold Press Juicer. Finally, the Godspeed's Cold Press Juicer at $129 combines smart design with practical features. It has a 5.8-inch feed chute like the YPONE, but adds a reverse button to clear clogs instantly, something many budget juicers lack. If you want whole fruit convenience with reliable performance and easy cleaning, this one hits the sweet spot. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The torque-packed auger extracts up to 99% juice while running slow to protect nutrients. The 3-step assembly means you can set it up in under 10 seconds, and the toothed filter rinses clean in seconds, no brush needed. It also has overheat protection and a safety lock, so it's safe for families. Over 2,000 sold last month shows it's a rising favorite. Now, some people complain that the plastic body can feel lightweight, and it doesn't have the premium weight of metal models. I noticed that too. It's not flimsy, but it doesn't feel heavy-duty. Here's the thing though, for home use it's stable and durable enough, and the performance more than makes up for the materials. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of price, features, and ease of use. Skip this one if you want a commercial-grade build. At $129, it's one of the best all-around cold-press juicers for daily home use. So which one should you pick? The LQZ is best if you're on a budget. The YPONE and Godspeeds offer great whole fruit convenience, and both Ninja models deliver reliability and smart features. Just choose the color you like. Price doesn't always mean better performance, but matching the right juicer to your habits does. Pick the one that fits your kitchen, your routine, and your wallet.